Turn my girl Nikki down. Happy Saturday. Let me pause it because I want to watch her video. I'm watching Nikki B's World. Sitting in my car at my son's school. This is where my husband coaches at. I've been sitting here for about 2 hours now. We came up here. I came up here. I went and picked up my boy and his best friend they had training today, so I picked them up at 2. I went by Whataburger and got them some food and I dropped them off up here at the school. I was gonna go to brunch, but then I felt like I didn't have enough time before my husband's game and I didn't want to miss it, so I just went through the drive-thru at Freddy's and ordered a chicken sandwich. But I came back up here thinking the game was gonna start soon, and baby, we've been in lightning delays. We were in delay for like 2 hours. The games have finally started back up. It's raining again, but the lightning is gone. It's clear, thank goodness. So yeah, I'm just sitting in the car waiting for his game to start. Our friend's coaching right now, and he hasn't even made it to halftime, so it's gonna be probably another 30 minutes before hubby's game start. We're supposed to start at 3:30. It is 4:45. So hopefully the break in between the games isn't too long. We want to get the show on the road and get the heck out of here. The opponent that we're playing came down from Houston, so I know they're tired and ready to go, and they were pissed because, so my son's school, they have a lightning delay like sensor or monitor. It looks like I just saw lightning, so I'm hoping I didn't, but they have a monitor, and if lightning is detected in the area, everybody got to get off the field. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. They don't play about that lightning. That's what we've been doing. We just been sitting here, but somebody came over to talk to my husband from the other side, the opposing team, and told him that they were ready to call the game because 5 of his starters left. They went back to Houston. They said they tired of this shit. I don't know. I think it's just a school because other teams in San Antonio were still playing their games, but we have a sensor here, and if there's a lightning strike, we absolutely cannot go on the field. Everybody has to evacuate. So we're pushing through. Hopefully the other team isn't too pissed off to where most of their players leave, because we've been sitting out here for a while. I would hate for them to have to go all the way back home without playing a game, and then I would hate for us to have sat here for hours upon hours without being able to play. But we'll see. The games are still going on as far as I know, but I'm just sitting in the car. I'm over it already, but I'm here to support. I drove all the way out here, and I don't want to just go all the way to the house and then not be there for him when they play. So I'm thugging it out. I'm sleepy. I should have brought my iPad. I was uploading a YouTube video this morning, and it looks like it still ain't fucking uploaded. So I was just sitting here watching my girl Nikki. But anyways, just popping in to say hey. I might pick y'all back up when the game starts. If it's raining, I won't. But if it stops raining, then I'll pick y'all back up once we get out there. But I just popped in to say hello. I hope y'all having a great day, and I'll chat with y'all later. Bye.
Be proud. Let's come back on Monday ready to play. You understand me? Yes, sir. Great job, fellas.
How was I to know you changed my mind? How was I to know? Oh, How was I to know you feel so right? How was I to know? I didn't see it coming in a million years. Now you got me wishing we could be clearer. Yeah. How was I to know that I'd need titles to define us? Oh, I put it all on the line. I wasn't trying to waste my time. So I don't wanna cut the ties. We started building, situations getting crazy. You want me to be exclusive and prove it, baby. Cause now you got me in a situationship. Thing really need a new thing. Hey, no situationship. Great if I'm so amazing. Explain how we still in the gray. Cause she said I'm incredible in every way, but our relationship status hasn't changed, baby. Tell me you don't wanna lose me and get me out of this situation. Hey, get me out of this situation. How was I to know we'd fall apart? How was I to know? How was I to know you'd bring my heart? How was I to know? Oh, I never really been like the commitment type, but you said my material was so wifey, yeah. How was I to know that I'd need titles to define us?
Hey, good girl.
Put it on the line. Tryna waste my time. Cut the ties. We started building situations getting crazy. On the same page, but we're in purgatory. If differently we choose, then who switched up on who? But our relationship status hasn't changed, baby. Tell me you don't wanna lose me, don't lose me, baby. I don't want nobody else to tell me. Show me how everything you say, yeah. Tell me you don't wanna lose me, baby. This situation, get me out of this situation. Now you got me in situation. Get me out of this situation. Get me out of this situation. Get me out of this situation. No situationship. What I always wanted, I could never have it. Gone before I grabbed it, over before it started. No, I could never have it.
What I always dreamed of, I could always see us. Shadows in the distance, watching from the fences. But I could never have it.
Now the space between us lasted all our hopes and dreams was. I have fallen from my beliefs.
My time stands still
While you're dancing in the darkness, you think we should go our separate ways, but I think you're worth the wait. Worth the wait.
worth the wait,
Worth the wait.
worth the wait. I think you're worth the wait. What I never wanted always seems to happen. It's not the way we planned it, nothing like a picture, but we can still repaint it.
I could find someone new, easier to run to, but they could never be you. I will always be here, no matter what we go through.
Time stand still while you're dancing in the darkness. You think we should go our separate ways, but I think you're worth the wait. We vowed we'd be together, come whatever, come with me. And though it growing old, you're not alone, my heart won't change. Our memories will keep me warm until love calls you home. Worth the wait, worth the wait, worth the wait. I think you're worth the wait. Ooh, worth the wait, worth the wait. I think you're worth the wait. Funny how I wanna be submissive now. Got a man who holds me down. You grinding and I don't know how. I guess the soft life made me act right. Big boss, where you make me feel so at ease. Independent, but I follow your lead. Ain't no games we play for keeps. You got the ring, so tell me, Papa, what do you need? Decisions I trust, cause you only want the best for us, baby. I'll be friend on the weekend when we hanging out. A lover on call, boy, I make a vow that you're my number one priority. Just keep giving me all your love. Don't stop giving me all your love. I'm sitting in the palm of your hand. Your wish is my command. Just keep giving me all your love. Yes, it took a real man to bring it out of me. Gave me good love, baby, and now I see what a big dog needs. I think it's funny I wanna be submissive now. What a big dog needs. Funny how I wanna be submissive. Got me making plates and doing dishes. Baby, what you need, I handle business. He called me an oh so, but little do we know that everybody doesn't get this treatment. Somebody made me want completeness. Being truly loved really is different, cause I see him working hard for me. So whatever he needs, I'll be a freak in the morning while you get I'll be Zeus in the evening if you feel stressed. Tough by your decisions I trust, cause you only want the best for us, baby. I'll be a friend on the weekend when we hanging out. I'll be a lover on call, boy, I made a vow that you're my number one priority. Got my loyalty, just keep giving me all your love. Don't stop giving me all your love. I'm sitting in the palm of your hand. Your wish is my command. Just keep giving me all your love. Yes, it took a real man to bring it out of me. Gave me good love, baby, and now I see what a big dog needs. I think it's funny how I wanna be submissive now. Look at me now. Who is she? You now. Da 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 da.
feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest bitch. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame, no shame, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want nasty, babe? I'll give you options. I'll be your perfect day. I'm yours till the night fades. Whoa, don't let it fade. No shame, and no game. I wanna fall vulnerable. Giggling softly. Could you be laughing at me, or we just giddy? Butterflies flapping in me. Don't stop what you're doing. Yeah. What you Baby, I ain't buying no more dreams. So, what you selling? My pockets got dry from the bullshit. But if you so for real, you could get it wet, but not too much. Don't wanna drown a flame, keep that fire lit. Breathe life into it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody